In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on ByBit. And if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get a nice welcome bonus like free crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video right now. And from our home tab, we're going to click on Buy Crypto. And in order to do this, you need to have a verified account as well. So we're going to buy USDT. So select USDT in here. It was already on USDT, but I'm going to show you how you can find it. Just type in USDT and click on Tether USDT. So right now enter the amount that you want to buy. And you need to buy a minimum of €2 or something that's equivalent to that. So I'm going with €2. Make sure that it is set to buy. And after that, click on Next at the bottom. Right now, select your payment method. You can pay with PayPal, Revolut, SEPA Instant or Zen, or you maybe have different payment methods based on your location. I'm just going with my PayPal and I'm going to click on Buy with Euro at the bottom. So in here you will see what you will receive and the amount of USDT converted to your currency. So I'm okay with this and I'm going to click on Confirm. And after that, you will be redirected to your payment method, and in my case, that is PayPal. So in this screen, you will see the details of your payment. So if everything is okay, go ahead and click on Pay Now. So in order to complete the payment, you need to make sure that you transfer the money with your payment method, and in my case, that was PayPal, to the written name and the written payment details. So ByBit will give you those details so they can vary. So don't use these details. You might have some different details. So just go ahead and transfer the amount to that account. And after you've done that, click on I have done the payment. And please select I have done the payment only when you have really done this, because otherwise your account can get suspended. So I've just done it and I'm going to enter the amount that I transferred. That is €2. And in here, I will need to check some boxes in order to confirm. So let's click on Confirm. So in 10 minutes, my coins will be released. So within 10 minutes, I will have my USDT. And this works the same for different cryptocurrencies. And I just showed it with USDT. So I hope this video was useful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if so. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.